Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and welcome to a Thriftmas in July. So last week or the week before, I participated in an open collaboration that is being hosted by some fabulous ladies here on YouTube, and they are part of the Christmas Exclusive Decor Club. And what these ladies have asked us to do is to bring you some Christmas joy and inspiration to help you figure out what you're going to do in your home for Christmas this year. So, the week before it was Japandi style, and this week it's Thriftmas in July, and you must decorate in black and white. So you had to come out, or you could feature a tablescape or an entryway or anything featuring something that you thrifted and is also black and white. So you guys know black and white are my signature color. So yeah, I had this one down pat. So I decided to do a tablescape, and I'm going to take you along as we put it together. And if you like and enjoy these types of videos and it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you're into as well, please hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. So let's put this table together using items that I thrifted from the Goodwill. And let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Does this tablescape look like it was thrifted? I would love to get your opinion.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
This will be the first time I am using my table after I painted it black. I am absolutely loving the color. I am so glad I bit the bullet and decided to go ahead and paint my table. And we are going to be using items that I thrifted from the Goodwill. My glasses, my plates, and silverware all came from the Goodwill. And I am dressing up this table to show you that you can decorate a table beautifully using items that you have picked up at the Goodwill.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and it showed you how you can create a really beautiful dining table using items that you picked up at the Goodwill. You don't have to go out and spend tons of money to get that luxe look. You can always shop your local thrift stores, your Goodwill, to find unique and beautiful items to give your home that luxe look for less. If you have enjoyed today's content and you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. And let me know, does my table look glamorous to you? Does it look thrifted? Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And I hope to see you in the next one.